flash flood warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon for central Orange County. At 2:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Oh my.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Middletown, Fort Jervis, Walden, Goshen, Powells, Montgomery, Florida, Ortizville, Huguenot, Unionville, Scotchtown, Mackinac-Town, Westtown, Baybrook, Slate Hill, Pine Bush, Pine Island, Circleville, Bowville, and New Hampton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.